Welcome back to the channel Bitwise Smarter. If you're starting your journey as a data analyst or even looking to level up, the tools you use can make or break your productivity. In this video, we'll look at the 5 must-know tools every data analyst should master, whether you work in Excel, dashboards, or machine learning. By the end, you'll know exactly which tools to focus on to become faster, smarter, and more efficient. Let's get started. Let's start with the classic, Microsoft Excel. Excel remains the foundation of analytics. It's more than just rows and columns. It's a powerhouse for quick data cleaning techniques like column formatting, data sorting, correcting misspellings using built-in functions or custom dictionaries to ensure consistency, and removing duplicates to eliminate redundant entries and preserve data integrity. It also empowers users to create pivot tables for dynamic data analysis and generate visual summaries that bring insights to life. You can automate tasks using formulas like index match, XLOOKUP, and even macros with VBA. For analysts, Excel is still the fastest way to do quick analysis, modeling, and validation before you move to any heavy tools. Next, SQL or structured query language. Every analyst should know how to pull and manipulate data directly from databases. SQL lets you join tables, filter large datasets, and create summaries before exporting to visualization tools. Even a basic understanding of commands like select, join, and group by can make your work much more efficient. Once your data is ready, you'll want to visualize it. Tools like Power BI help analysts turn numbers into stories. These platforms allow you to build dashboards that can be shared across teams. You can connect live data sources, apply filters, and add drill downs to uncover insights interactively. If you're working with large datasets or doing advanced analytics, Python is your best friend. Python allows you to automate repetitive work, clean data at scale, and apply statistical or machine learning models. Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib make it easy to analyze and visualize data programmatically. Finally, let's talk about data preparation using ADF, Azure Data Factory. ADF helps analysts create automated data pipelines, meaning your data gets cleaned, transformed, and ready for dashboards without manual effort. Azure Data Factory simplifies ETL by ingesting data from diverse sources, orchestrating control flows with visual logic, transforming data using scalable Spark-powered data flows, scheduling tasks with automated triggers, and monitoring everything in real time with alerts and insights. Think of these as your behind-the-scenes superheroes that connect everything together. Let's quickly recap. Excel for quick analysis, SQL to speak to databases, Power BI for visualization, Python for automation and analytics, and ADF for data preparation. Together, these tools make you a complete data analyst, capable of handling data from source to insight. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to Bitwise Smarter, your channel for practical data and analytics tips. Drop a comment with which tool you'd like to master next, and I'll create a detailed tutorial just for that. Thanks for watching.